average household vibrator.
Careful, Esmé. You shouldn't mix business with pleasure.
Containment! Sorry, got too excited. Let's talk about scissoring.
I wish we would.
Well, look at my tongue. It goes... You are on camera.
If you want to learn about sex, you've got to get a little bit wet.
Oh!
Join us for the launch party of SexTistics, where the numbers meet naughty and no data is too big.
That's statistically significant.
That's statistically significant!
Tickets are on sale now for the advanced screening on the 3rd of June at the Gasworks in Melbourne.
Well, doesn't that remind me of my husband, Colin?
3 things Esmé's never used in her life.
Excuse you, I love restraints.
Hope to see you there, agents.